In Judaism, a rabbi plays a significant role. The word rabbi translates as teacher in Hebrew. In the Jewish community, a rabbi is viewed not only as a spiritual leader but also as a counselor, a role model, and an educator. Education of the young is, in fact, the principal role of a rabbi. Rabbis may also lead spiritual services, such as Shabbat services and High Holy Day services on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. They officiate at life cycle events such as bar mitzvahs and bat mitzvahs, baby naming ceremonies, weddings, and funerals. However, unlike the leaders of other religious denominations, many Jewish ceremonies can take place without the presence of a rabbi. Rabbis traditionally were always men, but since 1972, women have been able to become rabbis in all but the Orthodox movement. Rabbis usually train for about 5 years at seminaries such as Hebrew Union College, Reform, or the Jewish Theological Seminary, Conservative. In smaller synagogues that do not have a rabbi, honored lay leaders are responsible for leading religious services. In smaller synagogues, it is also common for the rabbi to be a part-time position. He or she may well pursue an outside occupation. Here are some quotes related to peace in Judaism along with their explanations. 1. Seek peace and pursue it. Psalms 34 verse 15. Explanation. This quote from the Psalms is a succinct and often quoted biblical verse about peace. It encapsulates both the longing for peace and the obligation to actively work towards it. This reflects a key aspect of Jewish thought, which sees peace as not just a state to be desired, but also as a goal to be actively pursued. 2. God announceth to Jerusalem that they, Israel, will be redeemed only through peace. Deuteronomy Rabbah 5:15. Explanation. This quote from the Midrash, a collection of Jewish biblical interpretations, suggests that peace is not just a desirable state but also a means of redemption for the Jewish people. It underscores the importance of peace in Jewish theology and its role in the fulfillment of divine promises. 3. And they shall beat their swords into plowshares, and their spears into pruning hooks. Nation shall not lift up sword against nation, neither shall they learn war any more. Isaiah 2 verse 4. Explanation. This prophetic vision from the book of Isaiah represents the ultimate aspiration for peace in Judaism. The transformation of weapons into tools of agriculture symbolizes the transition from conflict to harmony and from destruction to creation. It expresses the hope for a future where nations will no longer engage in warfare but will live together in peace. 4. Be among the disciples of Aaron, loving peace and pursuing peace. Ethics of the Fathers 1:12. Explanation. This quote from Pirkei Avot, Ethics of the Fathers, a compilation of ethical teachings, encourages individuals to follow the example of Aaron, who is traditionally seen as a lover and pursuer of peace. It emphasizes that seeking peace should be an integral part of one's character and actions. 5. Great is peace since all other blessings are included in it. Vayikra Rabbah 9. Explanation. This quote from Vayikra Rabbah, another collection of Midrash, highlights the supreme value of peace in Judaism. It suggests that peace encompasses all other blessings, implying that without peace, other blessings cannot be fully appreciated or enjoyed.